I get her with her. When I poke her in the mouth, I'ma probably behead her. Hey. Hey.
That was good.
That was actually really good.
Hey,
I
listen.
ain't talking no Mexican.
I said.
Tell,
I said.
won't tell.
Hold on.
Won't tell, nigga.
Damn, you just fucked me up, man. I was really.
I thought you were done, dude.
I was trying to go the whole song.
You didn't tell me that.
He got upset.
Yo, now you feeling heartbroken.
All right, hold on.
Heartbroken.
I said. Hold up.
He said something about Mexican cartel.
Hold up. Ready? I said I'm blowing
He doesn't
out
believe you
this
can
loud,
smoke cigarettes out of your
smoking
ear.
on this Dutch. I'm higher than I ever been, but
You're
I
gonna
don't
have to do
give a
it.
fuck. You say you want war. I'ma
Hold
give
up,
you
he's killing
what
it.
you want. Huh?
No, go. Oh, you. My fault.
You
I
recording?
talked. No, I talked.
Yeah.
Go.
Alright, ready?
All right, wait, hold on.
I said,
Little gang.
blowing out this loud, smoking on this Dutch. I'm higher than I ever been, but I don't give a fuck. You say you want war, I'ma give you what you want. You come around my way, you get bumped like a bus.
Oh.
$1 million dreams, I'm just trying to live it up. Purple in my cup, and it got me feeling slumped. Fucking with my team, I'ma let that clip dump. Call me a boss, you can call me Donald Trump.
Oh.
I'm a boss, crazy. I be dropping bombs in the stew. I'm killing shit, something like Osam. And I'm with your bitch, you give me top like Tom. All my bars is swoop bombs. All you
Tom gives
hating
you top.
niggas, all you niggas, foo-foo. Riding with my squad, nigga, I will doo-doo. I'm the shit, number 2, you's a foo-foo. You foo-foo, hey nigga, you foo-foo. I'm off the lean, I'm high as shit. Smoking on this weed, and I got a zip. Want that weed? Come holla, nigga.
Oh,
Give me $20, or that 50, nigga. If you want an eighth, it's 45. If you want a quarter, that's 85. And I'm riding on 95 with my bricks in the back seat. Ride or
he
die.
pulled ARM shit right there. That was ARM right there.